Depression is real. It's a sickness. They call it sometimes smiling depression eh. Ang anak ko ganun eh. He was a jolly person talaga, jolly kid eh. Si JM light namin eh. Light namin siya na maging mas mabuting tao. Even yung mga nabubuli, kinoconsider siyang best friend. Even yung mga kasambahay, ganun siya.
He seemed genuinely okay to me.
Parte rin yun eh, na parang you think he's happy but he's actually
Not. Gusto niya lang masaya.
So sabi ko, wala naman kaming family problem, hindi naman kami perfect. Pero nagtataka nga kami, bakit ginawa niya? I've read some article na talagang ang mostly ganun. Yung mga early nag-peak, like yung mga achievers. Then suddenly, nag-stop yung momentum nila.
We call that parang the awkward
the
stage.
awkward stage.
Oh.
Parang
So
there's really
sweet.
that period in an actor's life na parang, how can I cast you? You don't look like a teenager. You look like a kid, pero yung size mo, teenager.
Yeah,
Yung
so
Yeah,
nasa
yes.
awkward
Oo.
stage siya. So, hindi siya makast.
I went through it.
Eh di biglang wala. I think so na nag-try siya nga to find other avenues to fill
Yes.
that.
Societal pressure, expectations, most especially in your industry, is really different.
Oh yeah.
Right? Do you think that it added dun sa dinadala ni JM, no? I want to talk about the grieving process. How was it like for you?
May sasabit tayo na 5 stages of grief lagi. Di siya pala totoo. Non-linear siya.
Yes.
Parang
Oo.
minsan you accept it, minsan
Hindi. Did it make it harder to accept, lalo na hindi siya talaga diagnosed?
oo naman.
Yes.
Up until now, sometimes it's really hard. Lalo na pag mag-isa ka.
As a mom of two diagnosed, ano po yung ma-advise nyo for the parents on how to handle yung ganong situation?
Actually, based on my experience,